Hello guys, welcome to Mass Productions 3. We have found a ninja cat. Here he is. He lures his prey in by acting all cute. And then he strikes, don't you mate? Don't you? Right, let's hold this in one hand,
hey,
so let's bring that closer.
Hey buddy. Hey buddy.
Oh, incoming Jake.
Hey buddy.
Incoming. Incoming.
Hey buddy.
Oh, get ready for the strike. You can see his tail twitching.
Oh. Hey buddy. Hey buddy.
Oh, look at that. He's so cute. I must stroke
He
him.
nearly scratched Alex. He nearly scratched Alex before this video, so.
Yeah,
Hey dude.
Jake. Oh my god,
Oh my
he's so
God.
cute.
Oh, hey dude.
Oh my god.
I'm just shitting myself.